Next one is networking devices. Networking devices are the hardware devices used to connect computers or other electronic devices together in order to share files or resources like printers or fax machines. Now they are saying now network. Now these all type of network, LAN, WAN, MAN, whatever are there, how they are connected, with which device it is connected. Here examples are given: modem, hub, switch, repeater. These all are gateway also. These all are examples how they are connected. These devices work at different segments of a computer network performing different tasks. Means they are connected, different segments they are connected, and all of them perform different tasks also. Modem, that you all have seen this type. A modem enables you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. It converts the digital signals of a computer into analog signals to enable their transmission by phone lines. Now modem. For modem, we are connecting our modem. We are keeping modem at our home or office, wherever it is. Now what it does? It converts digital signal. Digital signal means 0 to 9. Numbers are there. All the numbers are known as digital only. It converts digital into analog. Analog means, like in physics you have seen, like this up waves, lower waves are there, then frequency. Clear that you can say that is analog signals only. At the destination means where these signals will be received. The receiving modem further converts into analog signal into digital so that the data can be understood at the receiving end. Now we human being could understand only digital signal because that is only the language which is understood by us. Analog signal are understood by computer only or by modem only. So when it provides us the result, it again convert analog into digital. Then only we will be able to understand. Now modem are of two types. First one is internal and second one is external. Internal modem comes as a separate part that is installed on the PCI slots available on the motherboard, and external modem is connected externally to a computer. Now internal modem where it installed? Peripheral component interconnect. One connection is there in the computer only, in slot is made on the motherboard. On that slot only we can attach the modem, which is internal. External modem is that which could be that you all have seen, like in office or some banks, wherever we go, mostly they are using this type of modem only. Second one is hub. A hub is a networking device that is used to connect multiple computers and computing devices directly to the computer by using cables. Now what is hub? Hub is like a net device only. We are reading these devices only. How the network will be shared through the devices. It is used to connect multiple, means more than one computer it is used for connecting, and it is done through the cables. Cables are also used, means wires are also used. Each connection is called a port. The connection is established using a fiber optic cable. Now this type of cable we have read already. Nowadays this type of cable is used because it has a very high speed of data transmission. Clear? When the hub receives data and one of the port, it distributes the data to other ports in the network. Now when the hub means when the main computer gets the request, whatever request is there, then it distributes to its ports. Ports means the connections which are attached to it. Hub means the main computer, ports means the devices which are other connected with it. Typically a hub sends all the data it receives to the connected port. It will transfer all the data whatever it will get. Next one is switch. Switches contain many ports. Ports means you can say here, ports means where you can attach the wire. See how many ports are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So many are there, holes where you can attach the wire. Switches contain many ports to connect different segments. They are similar like hub but offer greater performance. Now it is similar like hub only. You can see this also box also, this also box, but this one is having more ports. When a network contains a large number of devices, switches are needed instead of hubs to make sure that the communications between devices do not get slowed down. Now, sometime we need to connect more devices. So, hub is not having more ports. So, what we prefer? We prefer switch then. Unlike hub, a switch is aware of the addresses assigned to each of its ports and send the incoming data it receives only to the correct port. Addresses means now whatever things are attached with this switch, it have the address of each and every switch, so each and every port, so it will send the data according to the address provided to the correct person only.